What's going on YouTube? Nick the Tutor here. Today I have an awesome video. I'm going to be discussing the AP classes that you want to take for each individual major. Now today I'm going to start with law, which is something I'm very familiar with. As you might know, I am a licensed attorney. I did go to law school and pass the bar, so I can speak on this from personal experience. But today I'm going to discuss the AP classes that you probably want to take to prepare yourself for law. Now, remember, in the legal field, you don't necessarily need to have a specific major. It's not important that you major in history or English or poli-sci or pre-law for that matter. Probably wouldn't recommend that. Comment below if you want to know why. But today I'm going to go into some of the specifics and maybe discuss different areas. So let's get into those AP courses because it's really important to set yourself up for law school and for your legal career. All right, guys, it goes without saying AP Lit and other English related subjects are going to be really important for law school. There's a lot of reading involved, so you want to make sure that you know how to read and write. So AP classes that stress a lot of reading as well as writing and assessing your writing, I think would be very important. So I would definitely put Lit on the top of my list. Any other English for that matter. I won't get too much into that, but obviously writing legal briefs and reading case law is extremely important. So that's going to be number one on my list, and I think kind of an obvious one. Number two would be some history classes, especially U.S. history. Now, why? Obviously, there will be case law discussed in U.S. history. You can kind of get a feel for what it's like to read that kind of material and understand some of the basics of some landmark cases that happened in American history. As you know, we take law very seriously in the United States, and we have the Supreme Court and all that good stuff. So I think learning about that and the structure can be somewhat helpful eventually. And just seeing if you like the material, I think also helps you, feel that out. So U.S. history, a push would probably be number two in my book for sure. Number three would be psychology. Psychology is a very popular major for law students. Liberal arts majors, psychology, sociology, stuff like that. Why is that important? Why? I wouldn't say necessarily important, but it can kind of give you a look at some of the stuff you're going to be looking at before you get to law school. And I think for me, I actually was a psychology major in college, so I think that kind of helped me get there. I enjoyed it. I mean, if you plan on going to law school, like I said, it's not so important what you major at undergrad. So you want to get through something that's enjoyable, but also going to teach you about the human psyche, about how people react to certain scenarios. It can be helpful slightly for law school and I guess for the courtroom. Is it really going to change your legal career appreciably? No, I mean, I'm just going to be honest about it, but you learn what you need to learn in law school. But I think it can give you a good setup, at least lead you in the right direction for what's going to be covered. Now, that leads into my next point, which number four would be a hard science, especially if you want to major, or if you want to go into, PI law or some kind of patent law. Patent attorneys have to have a knowledge of science. You're going to be analyzing things related to technology, invention, so on and so forth. So it's super important that you have a knowledge probably of chemistry and biology. I think would be very useful. Also, they have a nice course rigor which can help you with law school. All right, guys, next up I would have Econ. Now, why am I putting both Econs on my list? If you do want to go into business law, a lot of that's going to relate to finance. A lot of litigation surrounds business transactions. You have to be able to understand numbers sometimes to be an attorney. A lot of people are like, okay, I don't get numbers, so I'm going to go be a lawyer. That's not necessarily true. A lot of lawyers deal with a lot of complex calculations. Trust me, I've been there in my litigation career. So you really need to take that into consideration. So I think Econ is great. I could also see Calc. I know that might not be the most popular for the English-based students who are really going into the legal career, but Calc could be really helpful. Maybe if you don't want to handle Calc, you could try Stats. Stats is typically perceived as an easier AP, as you can see in one of my last videos, but I think looking at some kind of math class, if you do want to go into business law, can be really important. I'd probably recommend Econ. That's not necessarily a math, but then I guess the alternative for the finance students would be AB or BC Calc. So those could really help. All right, guys, my last entry on the list would probably be AP Seminar / AP Research. I know those aren't the most popular, and a lot of people feel they're just a waste of time or really easy. But in this instance, I think one of the things about a legal career, especially when you're a young attorney, is you have to do a lot of research. You have to be willing to comb through hundreds of pages of case law, hundreds of pages of law, and really just dig down and find something. So having that kind of talent, having that skill, developing that desire can be really helpful. So I know those aren't the most popular, but I would add them as a final entry on my list for you guys, just so you know, because a legal career in the beginning is tough and there is a lot of research and writing, so that can really help you prepare for that. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, man. You know I'm going to be dropping more information about AP classes, law school, becoming successful, SAT, ACT, all that stuff. I'm diversifying my content for all of you. So subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. This video was a lot of fun for me to make because I am an attorney. I'm going to make another one that's going to discuss should you go to law school or not. Look out for that, and I'll check you guys soon. See ya.